How to add friends in Fortnite in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is open Fortnite and then open Fortnite settings. Once you open settings, you will find this plus icon which would be beside this human icon. There you will see lots of things. You can add friends here and pending invites as well. If you want to accept someone or if your friend send you a friend request, your friend would be shown here. Or if you want to send a friend request to your friend, you just have to search your friend's name on this search icon. Just type in your friend's name and then here you'll find your friend's username. Just click on your friend's username and click on accept invite or send friend request. Just do this and you'll be able to make friends in Fortnite. So yes, if you want to see which friends are online and which friends are offline, just click on this two human icon. Once you get over here, you can see epic online friends here, which are idle you will see here and which are offline you will see here. This is how you can add friends and see their online status. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.